Hey my dolls, it's your girl Aya coming to you guys today with an unboxing from a makeup company that is gonna be the bomb. Okay, I purchased a eyeshadow palette from bestiegang.com. The founder of bestiegang.com is also a fellow YouTuber who I've been following for years, and her name is Girl with Girl, and I will leave her channel link down below in the description box, as well as purchase links. If you guys are interested in the wig that I have on right now, I will leave the card up above. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig into the box. So first thing that I pulled out is going to be the Bestie Gang Beauty Blender. This Beauty Blender is very, very nice, okay? It blends out like a dream. I love the way it feels. It's nice and bouncy, and when you get it wet, it gets a little bigger than what you see right now, because right now it's dry. But it blends like a dream, okay? So highly recommend it. I love the fact that it's nice and bouncy, so you can really, really blend out your foundation and apply your setting powders with the blender. She also sent me some eyelash applicators, which I love because they come in handy when applying lashes, especially when I have my nails on. They can kind of get in the way, and so it makes it hard for me to apply my lashes. But these lash applicators are the bomb, and it even has a logo on it, bestiegang.com. And by the way, I went ahead and I made this purchase, I want to say week before last, and the shipping was really nice. I didn't have a problem with the shipping. My post office was tripping though, because they held my package for 2 days and then they delivered it to me. But anyway, I have the Bestie Gang Icy Pomade on my eyebrow right now, and this pomade is the bomb. It's nice and creamy, and you do get a lot of product. A little bit goes a long way. And I love the fact that it doesn't look like I have, you know, just ink on my eyebrows. It actually blends in really, really good once you brush it out and things like that. So yeah, I highly recommend the pomade. And I have this in a color Ebony. And do y'all see, it's not too dark and it's not too brown. It's the perfect pigment. So yeah, as you guys can see, I did dig into it already. But yeah, like I said, I have that on my eyebrows right now, and it doesn't move. Like it took at least a good 7-8 hour wear, and it still looked pretty good. So I really like this pomade. And typically I don't use pomades. I always use a pencil, but yeah, I'm loving this pomade. So yeah, it will get used a lot. Okay. Y'all, don't mind me. I'm watching TV. I should not be in the living room recording, so I always get distracted. But anyway, she sent me some of her lip products as well. And y'all, I'm wearing the Bestie Gang Splash Lip Gloss and Give Me Kiss. And I love this lip gloss. It's nice and soft and just made my lips look luscious. That's what I'm wearing right now in the video. And do y'all see how luscious my lips look? It's not greasy and it's not sticky. It's really, really nice. And it didn't dry my lips out. And typically, colored lip gloss will dry my lips out, but it didn't dry my lips out. And I love the smell of it. It smells like candy. But yeah, and I love the applicator because it goes on nice and smooth. So highly recommend this lip gloss. She has other colors. And I also happy to get this in the box. Now, what I'm showing you right now is the extras that she sent to me. I didn't ask for them or anything like that. She just kind of to send me the extras. And so I am very grateful for that. So I have the Splash liquid lipstick. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. And I have it in the color... What color is this? Not sure what color it is, but I'll leave it down in the description box. But I love this liquid lipstick. It dries very, very nicely. It doesn't settle into the fine lines of my lips. And a little goes a long way. And I love the applicator. It's like a doe foot applicator, which helps because I can also use the applicator to line my lips and then fill it in. So yeah, highly recommend it. And this one also smells like candy as well. And so, yeah, y'all know I love a good liquid lipstick. That's all I really wear. I haven't worn a traditional lipstick in a while. But yeah, that is the extras that she sent. So now I'm going to dig into what I actually ordered. And this is the Kiss This Whole Ass palette. Y'all, I love the name of this palette. It definitely suits her personality, okay? This palette has her personality packaged into one eyeshadow palette, and I have been waiting to receive this palette because she uses it in all her lives and she comes up with bomb makeup looks. So yeah. And then she also has her Bestie Gang PR people, and them dolls, they rock out the palette like a y'all. Just check her website out. But anyway, I love this palette because it comes with a big nice mirror, and the mirror is not janky at all. You can see yourself in it. So here is the 15 color pan palette. The palette is nice, okay? Very well worth the price. Nice and pigmented. I love the names of the eyeshadows in this palette. Like, she put a lot of thought into this palette, and I'm so happy that she did because she took her time, and that's what I love about her whole Bestie Gang collection. She takes her time to curate products, and I love it because it definitely matches her personality. So I'm just going to do a couple of swatches here for you of the palette, just to give you guys a feel of it. But overall, I really, really love the Bestie Gang collection. I definitely need to place a couple more orders because she has robes. She has blunt holders. She has some lace glue that I really want to try out. Even though I'm not a glue kind of girl, I definitely want to try out the glue that she has. She has wigs. She has bundles. Her whole website is a one-stop shop, literally. But anyway, let me know what you think about the Bestie Gang collection. I will leave all purchase links down in the description box. Thank you, Cara, for sending me out the extra goodies. I really appreciate it. Definitely make sure you guys subscribe to her channel, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
It's original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them.